Sit down, my friend, and I'll talk you through 2019 winter range. Rosanna is getting a makeover.
Yeah, she's getting a new clutch.
And during the makeover period,
we get a replacement.
We're getting new wheels.
Oh, now we've got to think of new names.
Yeah. And how are we going to trump Rosanna? Because we're very good at making names. That's how.
Yeah, exactly. Don't you forget it.
So you better tune in to the next episode.
Motorhomies 8.
When we go to Hungary, we're losing count.
Yeah.
But tune in for the name. Tune in for the new ride. Let's actually decide what we got here. So I'm about to show Jay. Basically, we're in the midst of a complete mess.
BMW 530.
A complete mess. Yes, Rosanna is in the mechanic. We've just found out, as you'll see from footage, that the extent of the repairs required are quite hefty.
Yeah, so I have some news about the problem with your car and solution. So the first problem is with car clutch. So we need to give you alternative, which would be done on Tuesday.
Okay.
Then the flywheel is burnt just because of the car clutch.
Yeah.
It's right next to it. So you need a new one, and that will be delivered on Thursday. But you...
To the sum of 1,700 euros.
I don't have that kind of coin.
You also see the picture, which I wasn't sure exactly what I was looking at, but it looks pretty burnt in the picture. The flywheel.
That's fine, they're burnt.
Can you tell I don't know much about cars?
Rosanna's gotten a bit cooked apparently.
Must have been all that tapas we've been whipping up.
Mate, that's gotta be it. That's gotta be it.
Alright, our work here's done. We gotta shut that down. So, 1,700 euros, and she's not ready till next Thursday. Today is Friday.
We're not going back a day.
We
6
had
days.
accommodation booked in Budapest. We had a route mapped out. This is just a massive spanner. How good's that for a pun? I'm not even good at puns. But you need a spanner to fix a flywheel.
Apparently, maybe you don't.
Yeah, maybe
just chopsticks.
we know where to find them in press off as well.
Oh my god, that red curry.
Anyway, so because it's such a long time, if it was ready on Monday, we were kind of going to be stuck here.
Yeah, we're just going to stay here for a couple of days.
We could have tried to fang it down to Budapest.
It
but
wouldn't have been as enjoyable.
Now we've got a week, and we've got a selection of hire vehicles. Right here we have the Toyota Aygo, which is our cheapest option. That sucker's going at 29 euros a day. It's purple and it's very small.
It's maybe too small.
This is her, mate. Yet to be named.
How stunning is that?
You're joking, yeah?
No, I'm